You are welcome to this video. On this video today, I'm going to show you step by step on how to make money on YouTube just by watching videos. This is one of the simplest way that you can use to make money online without any investment, and you can do it. You just need to use your phone or your laptop so that you can watch the videos. Once you watch those videos, you are going to be paid a higher amount very fast. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, so that will show you everything that you need to know about this method. So the first website that we are going to use is AddMeFast. This is a website that you can watch YouTube videos, and I'm going to show you how to get paid when you watch them. So just search for AddMeFast. Once you search for AddMeFast, you are going to click on register so that you can enter your details and register for an account. Once you register, let me log in to show you. Once you log into your account, you are going to see a page like this. So what we are going to do is that we are going to come to this side. You can see earn points on. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come to this side. You can see a lot of things that you can do to earn points on this platform. So let me scroll down for you to see. You can see many things that you can do to earn points. You can see you can follow Telegram channels and you are going to earn points. You can see right here you can like Facebook pages and you are going to earn points. A whole lot of different things that you can do. You can see my points right here, 1912 points. So what I want you to do is that just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to come right here, select YouTube views. So once you click on that, you can get videos to watch and you are going to be earning points. So once you click on YouTube views, you are going to see something like this. So as you can see, this is a check to find out if you are a real human being. So you are going to just click on the image so that you can get the right shape. So as you can see, so this is a bed, so you are going to click this one too so that you can get it at the right shape. As you can see, that has been done. So once you click it to the right position, you are going to click on submit so that you can find videos to watch. As you can see right here, if you watch a video for 30 seconds, you are going to earn 4 points. So just click on view video. So once you click on that, the video is going to pop up here, and you can see that before the video even pop up, you can see it is counting. So before you even get the video, it has counted and you are going to earn the points. So as you can see, this is the video that you are going to watch. So as you can see, it is still loading. As you can see, that has been done. So it is going to move to the next video automatically. You can see it has moved to the next video, and you can see that my points have increased to 1916. As you can see, the next video, if I watch it for 39 seconds, I'm going to earn 10 points. So as you can see, it is still reading. So these videos, you don't need to even watch them. You have to just click on it and it's still going to be counting. Once you count to the maximum time that you are supposed to watch the video, you are going to get points for that. As you can see, the points is going to be increased. You are usually going to be getting these images like this so that they will check whether you are a real human being doing the work or you are a robot. So you are going to just click on the image so that you can get it to a normal position. So just click on it. You can see this is a bed. So once that is done, you are going to click on submit so that they will verify that you are a real human being. You can see that my points has increased. So what I want you to do is that you are going to keep on watching videos so that you can get a lot of points so that you can make money. So once you get the points, what I want you to do is that just come to this website, PlayApp.com. So once you come here, what you are going to do is that just sign up for a free account. So just click here so that you can sign up for your free accounts. You can sign up with your Facebook accounts, you can use your Google, you can also use your Steam account, or you can just enter your direct email right here and then enter the required details so that you can sign up for an account. So let me log in for you to see. Once you select your Google accounts, you are going to enter your name right here. So just enter your name, and here you are going to enter your location. So they say name must be something. So let me add numbers. So as you can see, alright, so once you enter your name, your country, the next thing is you are going to agree to the terms and privacy policy. Once that is done, you are going to click on sign up so that you can get your accounts. Once you open your accounts, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, many people are selling different things on this platform. You can see people are selling games, people are selling different things on this platform. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here, search for Twitter right here. Just search for Twitter. Once you search for Twitter, you can see Twitter account for sale. You can see Twitter favorites for sale. You can see Twitter followers for sale. When you come here, you can see Twitter OG usernames for sale. You can see Twitter retweets for sale. So just click on that. So once you click on that, just scroll down. You can see many people are selling this service on this platform. You can see this one right here, 500 retweet is going to charge $20. You can see this one right here, 200 retweet is going to charge $7. You can see this one, 100 retweet, the fellow is going to charge $2.5. You can see $11. So as I scroll down, you can see many people selling the same service on this platform, and you can see that the price varies. So as you can see, many people are selling this service on this platform to people. As you can see, many people are selling it for different prices. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to copy exactly what these people are doing. Just click on it so that you can copy what they are doing. For example, this one right here, just click on it. So once you click on it, you are going to see something like this. So what you are going to do is that you are going to copy exactly what this person is doing. So just look at the accounts and copy exactly the same thing. So once you copy the same thing and list your service for sale on this platform, what I want you to do is that just come back to AddMeFast. Once you come here, just click on this add. So once you click on add, you are going to see a page like this. Just click on this place right here. Once you click on it, you are going to scroll down. You can see Twitter retweet. So once you select that, if anyone buys your service on PlayApp.com, they are going to give you their Twitter ID. They will also tell you the countries that they want the retweet from. So right here, you can just unselect it and then select any country that you want. If they want from United States, you can just search for US and you can get the United States. As you can see, United Kingdom, United States. So whatever country that they want the retweet from, you can get that service for them. And the good thing about it is that all the retweets are going to be done by humans, because there are a lot of people who are on this platform and they are going to do that service for you, and you are going to be earning money on PlayApp.com. Once you get the Twitter ID, just come here. You are going to tell the number of clicks that you want. Just click here to switch it on. You are going to tell the number of clicks that you want. So right here we need 500 clicks. Here you are going to set your daily clicks limit. So I can just add the same thing. If you want to spread this number in 4 days, 2 days, 1 day, you can do that. You can just click on and you are going to set your daily clicks here. Once that is done, you can see the cost per click CPC is 25. Just reduce it to 5. So now you are going to be paying 5 points per click that you get. So right here you need up to, let's say, 1000 divided by 5. So imagine the number of points that you need right here so that you can get the 500 clicks. So what you are going to be doing that you are going to keep on viewing the video so that you can get a whole lot of points here, so that you can use them to make money on PlayApp.com. Just simple as that. So once you have the ID of the people who are buying your service, you are going to just place it here. Click on save changes so that you can get people to retweet it, and you are going to be making money just by watching YouTube videos without doing anything. So if you want to make money with this method, then you have to take time to watch the videos so that you can exchange them for Twitter retweets so that you can be making money on PlayApp.com. This one, for example, you can see that we need 500 clicks, so you need about 2,500 points so that you can exchange for 500 retweets. So this is a very easy method that you can use to make money from home. So for example, let me use the calculator to calculate for you to see. As you can see, let me calculate 2,500 points divided by 5. That is our cost per click. So divided by 5 equal to, that will give us 500 retweets. So we can exchange this for $20. And you know, not all jobs that you do that you can earn up to $20 per hour. So this is a very good method that you can also use to make money from home as a complete beginner. So let me show you my own. So when you come to my site, you can see that I have campaigns that I'm also running on this website for a TikTok account. So this is something that I do myself, and I advise you to go and take action so that you can begin making money from home. So let me click here my site so that I will show you everything. So as you can see, this is the title, and then you can see this is the daily clicks that I need, and you can see that I've gotten 42 clicks. So I encourage you to go and also take action so that you can be making money from home online as a complete beginner. So you can exchange your points for different services. So you can exchange it for Facebook followers. So when you go to PlayApp.com and search for Facebook followers, you are going to get people who need that service to buy, and you are going to exchange your points for that. You can see Reddit members. There are people who need those services. You can exchange your points for that. All of these services that you are seeing, you can exchange your points for that on PlayApp.com so that you can earn money from home. This is very easy. So the YouTube video is one of the easiest way that you can use to earn a lot of points without wasting your time. So make sure you keep on watching the videos and then earn points so that you can be making money from home. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.